Hello all, my name is Tanya Khalazi. I'm a watercolor artist from Ukraine. I am absolutely self-taught. I have never attended any art school or courses. I found a lot of information in the internet. I watched all the videos. I found information in books. I practiced a lot. Of course, in the beginning I made a lot of mistakes, but I never stopped learning, and I'm happy that at this moment already I've reached some results. I participate in exhibitions here in Ukraine and also abroad, and I'm proud to say that I took some winning places. I also sell my original paintings. Behind me you can see part of my work. I paint a lot of watercolor portraits. I also paint naked body. I love to paint naked body, men and women. It's beautiful and I love the process. I also paint fashion illustration, animals, cars, architecture, also botanical illustration. This summer it was very trendy because a lot of designers made their collections based on the fabric with floristic patterns, so I had orders for watercolor flowers. I also created some t-shirts and sweatshirts for myself and family and friends with my own patterns. And I also convert my work into vector and solid and vector stocks. So there's a lot of stuff you can do with watercolor. But in this course, I will show you how to create the watercolor itself. I've created several courses separate for portraits, for new painting, for botanical illustration, fashion illustration, etc. And in each course you will see how I work step by step, from the pencil sketch till the end. You will see the whole watercolor process, and I will provide you with my comments. If you will have any questions, you will be able to leave them under the course in the section for comments, and I will provide you with as much informational support as I can. So that's it. If you love watercolor as much as I do, and if you are interested in this course, you are welcome. Let's do it together.